What's up, beautiful people? Okay, right now I'm gonna try something new. Let me go direct into I can use this like, okay, let's just simply imagine that's what we have right here, okay, which is this one. Okay, so we are going to make a small room, just a little room, one room 4 by 4. Okay, I'm gonna let me put the scale to 4. Okay, so I think x also to 4, something like that. If I put these things for, what will happen? So anyway, let this thing be 1 and we can put it to 1. Okay, let's check it out here. Okay, so this thing is supposed to be 1 even. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, 4. So yep, I think all of this should be 4 by 4. Okay, so this is 4 by 4, as you guys can see. What I'm gonna do right now will just simply push it up there here. Okay, so this thing is supposed to be 2.02. So we have this thing right here, which is this. So let's simply try to do this. So the next move is because we want to make one room with the window and door. So what I'm gonna do next is I can duplicate this thing. Let me duplicate it. Control D to duplicate this thing. You see that, right? So what we're gonna do right now, we are gonna make it. Let me do the same thing here. Let's put it to 1. Okay, and this thing is to 1. Okay, just like that. So anyway, let me put it back to 1, and this thing will be 2. Let me put it to 2. Let me try to move in here. We are going to see how it will look. So let's just simply do this. We are going to make sure that we are there. So let's try to put it to 2. It has to be 2 meters, something like that. Okay, so let me try to push it that in. Okay, so we have it here. So okay, let me do it again. Okay, just like this. Okay, okay, I think this thing should be by 3. It should be 3 instead of 2. Okay, so it has to be 1 meter also. This one, I put it 1 meter. I don't know. Hold on. Okay, and now not this. Okay, this is supposed to be 1 meter. Okay, because I think door is 1.5, 1.5 or something like that. So 1.5. Let me put it. Okay, 1.5. All right. So let's come here. We are going to make sure that we put it in the right way. So let's simply try to do this. We can push it here and then down there. So and we need to have a foundation there, which I'm going to put later. So let's try to do a duplication for this one. I want to do it for window as well. Control D to duplicate, and then I'm going to push it right here. Let me try to put this so that we can see things clearly. Let me try to make it like 1 meter. It's supposed to be 1 meter or 1. Okay, let me put 1. Okay, it has to be 1 like that. So let's push it up there. Okay, so just like that. So we all know how the window will look like on this. So this is what we have. So remember, this is 4 by 4 room, 4 by 4. We are trying to do a room 4 by 4. So what I'm gonna do next is okay, I'm gonna select this this wall and plot this one again, and I'm gonna do a different. Let me go direct information boolean. We are gonna do difference. Okay, sorry, is it different? Yep, just like that. Let me go direct into boolean and difference. Okay, you can see right there. Okay, yeah, we create a bit of this the window. Okay, we can do it for door as well. So click the building, the wall, and then the window. We're gonna go directly into mesh and boolean, and we look for difference again. Okay, so I think there we have. Now we have the door. Let me simply right click on this, on the door, right click on F just to see, and then W to simply put in a little bit. So there we go. And again we're gonna have this, and we are gonna pull it back again just like that. So there we have that. What I'm gonna do next is to create a roof there, and we are gonna we can select the top part, Control E to extrude it. We are going to extrude this thing a little bit up here just like that. Control and E, W, we are going to do this, okay, as you can see. So the next move is simple to take this side, and we can simply extrude it, Control and E, and press R and do this extrusion. We are trying to make something smaller, okay. So this is what we have right now. So I think we have to do something here. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do, we are going to create let me do cut right here like this, okay, like that. And I'm gonna do another cut right here, okay. Yep, right here. Let me do a cut right here, okay. We have cut somewhere there, so let me do another cut right here. All right, so we have this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna detach the window and the door, okay. Detaching. First I'm gonna select this and select that. Sorry, we select this and select that. So this is what we have. We are going to detach it here. Let's try to go to detach, okay. So now we detach it. If we select that and we press W, we can even move it so that we can see what is inside our rooms there. So Control and Z is to put it back there. Already we detach them. So the next move, what I'm gonna do right now again is to detach this roof. I will simply go to Edge, and I'm gonna select this part right here. Now Control F, okay, or F again. I'm simply to take, okay, let me take this one, okay. Yep, there. So let me try to detach it by simply going direct into mesh and edit mesh right here. Sorry, I think, yeah, mesh tool, mesh, and we are going to look for detach. So now we detach it, Control and go direct to UV shell. So we can now okay, hide this whenever we want. So you can see that we hide it. If we bring in, we go direct into Windows and we look for outliner, we can be able to see what we have or what we have hide from the system. So you can see that transformation is there and all this. So, and this transformation, let's press H to unhide or do all this kind of thing, okay. So I think this is not a big deal for now, so let's just simply try to work on the system as we did earlier. So we are going to bring in this the adding. So let me put in what we have here, okay. So there. So this roof, the roof is a standalone. So there, what we're gonna do next is by simply going inside our room. So to do something inside the room, let's try to come here. We are gonna do this. We are gonna create a chair inside. So let me simply click this, okay. We are gonna do this. We have to reduce. And okay. Let's just put it to be 1, okay. There we have that, which look like okay. Sorry, there we don't need this stuff. We need to work on plan. We can call it maybe chair or whatever that we want to do there. So under there, we right click and paste, okay. And we are going to do a cut here, okay, just like this. And we're going to do another cut right here. Sorry, right click, vertex, okay. Right me take the plane out of this. Okay, let's try to work on these things right here. Okay, we have that. Okay, let's simply click this, Control E, and then we can pull it up there. We are going to do just any chair or a table or whatever that might seem cool to us. Okay, we are going to do a cut right here and another cut right here, and then we can cross over like that, and then from there we can also do that. So that is what we have for now. So let me simply go directly into face, and we are going to do this. Okay, F, we are going to select that, select this, select that things again. Let's go right here to have Control E. We are going to extrude that just like that. Okay, something like that. So right now okay, let me simply right click, and I'm gonna be putting it somewhere on inside the room. So since this is very small, we are going to change or to make it look a little bigger, something just like that, and we can also make it wider. Okay, so there's a table. So where can we put this table right now? We are going to put it somewhere around here. Okay, let's just put it there. Okay, so we can simply press half. Okay, all right. Okay, I think this is very small. Okay, all right, there. Okay, there. Let's try to put it inside on F. We are going to do that. Okay, and again we can do this. Okay, there. Now F, we are inside here. Okay, under that. Okay, and now look. Okay, so this, let me do that on there. Okay, okay, there we have that. Okay, let's me simply do that. Oh my god, this is very small, and the room is also very small. Anyway, we are gonna put it inside there. Okay, the next move that we're gonna do next is simply go direct into inside the house, and we are going to do something like this right here. So let's me try to go to lighting and use two-sided. Okay, something like that. Okay, so let's we do another trick again, because I want to be inside that room. Okay, so right now we cannot do anything. Let me simply do this small trick right there. Can simply go in, and now if I'm inside here, I can be able to see what is taking place there. So then we put it up there and press half there. Okay, there. Okay, let's me do it smaller. F. Okay, we can do that. Okay, then there I can be able to see whatever we have inside there. Like now the chair is too small. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, so let's go in there and we can do that. Okay, there we have. So we have that. This is what we have inside if we are inside this place. Okay, okay, now I think we are good now. Okay, so we are going to do a foundation right here. We need to have a foundation let's put in this. Okay, we can simply do that, and we are going to make sure that we are right here. Okay, okay, there. Okay, great. So this is what we have, and we're gonna do this, and we pull it up there a little bit there. Okay, yeah, inside there we have this. Okay, so I did not complete the foundation. We are going to make sure that we have something like that in this place right here. So remember, we have a door there. So okay, just something like that. Okay, so we can even pull these things out. So okay, then pull it outside so you can see what is inside there. Good. Okay, set that back here. What do we have? Okay, instead of doing this, let me simply do D, and I can pull this thing right here, and D, E, I can just do, I can open the door like that. Okay, because when I want to close, I can close like this. I can simply do that. Okay, and again also I can be able to also to do the same thing here. To do this, let me simply do something here. We can simply click that. See, now it we remove D. Okay, and we can do this. Okay, D, E, we can open the window just like that. So now we have the window which is open, and we have that door right there. So control and that. So there we have. Now it is up to us if we can simply duplicate this and put it right here. Okay, control D and put it right there again, just like that. Yeah, so we can have different rooms within the same place like that. So we can make them four rooms. Let me do this. Control D. We can simply do this. Okay, something like that. So now we have those building over here. Okay, so we have those building over here right now, which are awesome to do. Okay, how many room do we have? We have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, something like that. So there we go, guys. Thank you for watching. This is what I want to show you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.